Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's April 9th, 2025. It's snowing here again in central New York, which is slowing things down some. So yesterday I did get my second dumpster filled and all, but I had a lot of trouble because of this being so muddy in the area here where I've been working, and the mud just keeps packing up inside of the tracks. And I don't dare try and operate the equipment with this in there. It's like concrete inside of the tracks. So that's an issue. So I'm going to have to wait for things to thaw out. So I'm not going to be doing the things that I wanted to do today out here. And I do have a busy day of phone calls. I started first thing at 8 o'clock when the company started opening. One of the things that the claims adjuster mentioned was really important to get the experts, the technicians from the different companies out here to look at each piece of equipment and give their assessment, whether it's, just what it's going to cost to repair it, is it going to be too expensive to repair, and so on. So that's where I'm at today. I have 3 different companies. I'm waiting on callbacks now. To try and arrange times and all, and I do have other things I've got to get done today, but I'm pretty happy with the size of the pile. This pile is really down quite a bit. The shingles are down quite a bit as well, but it is central New York. Spring is not quite here yet. I was really hoping to get all of this into dumpsters so that I could get some stone in here and then get the shipping containers delivered here. So that's another thing I'll do, is contact the shipping container place and see how things are with the equipment there. Make sure that they're empty now as well. I really want to get this beam down here. It's rather ticklish, precarious where it's setting here. But I've got to get some more supplies down before I can get those down and out. So that's it for today's video, folks. I just wanted to give you an update here in central New York, the snowy, God bless us. I think we're like the snow capital of New York State. I know there's places that get more at times, but I'm ready to declare that myself. Anyways, stay safe and take care. And enjoy the beautiful day if you've got one. Bye-bye now.